the onions, garlic for 2 minutes. Then add the tomatoes, 1 tomatoes. And add the corned beef. After 5 minutes cooking the corned beef, then you add some seasoning you want, like vegeta and black pepper, and then you're gonna add the potatoes or sweet potato. Of course, you have to stir it to mix it well, all the ingredients. Then close the lid. So the EOC SALADMASTER cooking system is the best partner in your kitchen to prepare your food. There you go, done. The corned beef guisado. And you can add green onions on the top for a design. So that's how you prepare the beautiful and yummy-licious corned beef guisado by our chef, new chef, hired from abroad. Ayan, ang ganda. So, syempre, titikman. Ito na. Yummy, yummy. Sarap. Ang galing ng aming bagong kusinero. Ayan, no. Thank you sa kusinero.